Okay, first, folks, we got something unique here. This is definitely a fresh trade-in alert for a 2017 Chevy Equinox LT. This is something you're definitely going to love. We're going to go over this vehicle in detail today. Starting at the beginning here, you'll notice not only just the fog lights, but the headlights as well. Again, you'll notice more of an eye-opening type look, creating better visibility for you at night. Including that as well, you have your breakaway mirrors, just in case you're going in tight spots, alleyways, things of that sort. You'll notice the privacy glass. Not only that, just the roof rails help towards any camping, things of that sort. I want to show you how much space you got to load cargo inside of it. Okay, folks, let's start in the back here. You'll notice not only just a lot of room, a lot of cargo area, 60-40 split. The seats actually fold down to create more of a better way for you. If you notice anything more, you'll notice in the very bottom, the spare as well. Come in the back. I want to show you about the passengers here. You'll notice not only the 2 cup holders, but a lot of leg room and space for all passengers in the back. When you come into the front, not only do you have the backup camera, cruise control, hands-free calling, eco mode, and dual climate control, but you're definitely going to love this vehicle. Come down and see today. All right, folks, for finishing touches here, this is a 2017 certified pre-owned Chevy Equinox. Unique vehicle as well, great in the wintertime, just as well as summertime. I'm looking forward to seeing y'all here today. My name is Mike McKinnon, located at Delaney Honda, right across the street from Walmart. The address is 115 Lenz Rd, Indiana, PA. Phone number to reach me, 724-717-1500. I'm looking forward to seeing you and your family soon. Test drive this vehicle here today.